Good day everyone! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Muli ako ang inyong lingkod, Sir Jolan M. Sereño. Welcome to my Mathematics 10 class. For this tutorial, we are now on week number 2. So, ang lesson natin is about arithmetic sequence. So, I hope ay ready na kayong makinig for our week 2 for this quarter 1 arithmetic sequence. So, let's start. Simulan natin sa ating learning objectives. So for our topic, arithmetic sequence, after going through this lesson, you're expected to, illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ba? Paano ba natin malalaman ang isang arithmetic sequence? And you should be able to determine arithmetic means and the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic means and the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. I hope after going through this lesson ay ma-achieve natin itong ating mga objectives na to. Okay, so let's start. Our first discussion, so again, let's first define what is an arithmetic sequence. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So again, may keyword na tayo dito, you need to add a fixed number. So ito yung, kung napanood yung last video natin about sequence, yung first video natin, itong fixed number na to, ito yung pattern na makikita natin sa isang sequence. And then dito, papakalanan natin yan. Yung fixed number na sinasabi natin doon sa first discussion natin, yun yung magiging guide natin at yun yung magiging key para makuha natin yung mga next few terms in a given sequence. At dito, papangalanan natin siya. At ngayon, siya ay tatawaging common difference, denoted by small letter t. So, yung fixed number na ina-add natin to obtain the next few terms of a given sequence, ang tawag ngayon sa kanya ay common difference, which is denoted, so may symbol siya, small letter d. Okay? Now, to find the next terms in the arithmetic sequence, so kapag na-identify na natin that our sequence is an arithmetic sequence, we can now use this formula. Okay? So, I hope, ayan, isulat nyo to, palagi nyo siyang gamitin para mas madali nyo siyang memorize. So, this will be our general formula for the arithmetic sequence. This is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. Again, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. So, ito yung ating gagamitin na formula sa pagsosolve ng problems, no, in arithmetic sequence. Ito yung magiging general formula natin under arithmetic sequence. Okay? Now, so, syempre, pag may formula, napakahalaga na alam natin yung mga parts, saan natin kukunin, yung mga symbols, yung mga variable na nasa formula natin. Okay, so ngayon, ang gagawin natin, isa-isahin natin yung mga parts niyan. Okay, simulan natin. Ano nga ba itong a sub n? So, a sub n, the last nth term. So, kapag sa mong last term, yun yung nth term mo sa a sub n. Kasi kapag sinabi mo you're looking for the yung 10th term, so your n is 10, so you have a sub 10. So, panghuling term na hinahanap mo is yung pang 10th term. Kaya siya magiging nth term natin, o yung ating tinatawag na last term. And then, yung ating a sub 1, ayan, alam naman natin, dahil naka-sub 1 siya, therefore, siya yung first term. Yung value niya will is equivalent to the first term of the given sequence. And then yung n is the number of terms in the sequence. So kapag ang n mo is 10, so you have the first 10 terms of the sequence. Yun yung magiging value ng n natin, kung ilang terms yung ibibigay natin o ihanapin natin in the given sequence. And the terms between any two consecutive terms of arithmetic sequence are known as the arithmetic means. Okay, so let's have here another term, the arithmetic means. So, arithmetic sequence, under arithmetic sequence, meron na tinatawag ng arithmetic means. So, these are the terms between any non-consecutive terms. So, ito yung mga terms na nasa pagitan ng given terms. Like, for example, if you have diba, a sub 1, and then may missing terms ka dito, and then nag-jump ka na kay a sub 4. So, ibig sabihin, nawawala si a sub 2 at saka si a sub 3. So, itong terms na to, ang tatawagin nating arithmetic means kasi sila yung terms between non-consecutive terms. Kasi yung a sub 1 at a sub 4 hindi magkasunod na terms. So, merong blankong terms sa pagitan nila. So, yung mga missing terms sa pagitan ng dalawang non-consecutive terms ang tatawagin nating arithmetic means. Okay? So, kasi may ganong case na may nawawala in between two given terms. Okay? So, these are the terms na gagamitin natin at mga concept na gagamitin natin in this lesson. Okay? Now let's have this. Study the given examples below and then identify if it is arithmetic or not. Okay? So, practice muna tayo. Study the given examples below and then identify if it is arithmetic or not. So, again, paano natin malalaman kapag arithmetic? Okay, kailangan may makita tayo ng fixed number o yung pattern niya na ina-add from the previous term to get the next term na tatawagin natin common difference denoted by small letter d. Okay, let's have example number 1. We have here 10, 13, 16, 19, so on and so forth. So, ito yung ating sequence. Okay. Ang tanong ngayon is, ito ba ay example ng arithmetic or not? Okay. Our answer is arithmetic. Okay. So, bakit naging arithmetic? Kasi may nakita tayong common difference niya na 3. So, kung titingnan natin, in our sequence, 10, tapos naging 13, tapos naging 16, tapos naging 19. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay. Nag-add tayo ng 3 from the previous term to get the next term. Example, itong 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Therefore, kung papahanap mo yung susunod na number dyan, that is, okay, the answer is 22. Kasi kung papahanap mo, 19 plus 3, that is 22. And then, continue mo lang hanggang makuha mo yung mga specific na number of terms na gusto mo makita sa isang sequence. But, for the meantime, na-identify natin na itong given sequence na to is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 3. Next sequence, 2, 6, 18, 54, so on and so forth. What do you think this sequence? Is it arithmetic or not? The answer is not. Ayan, kung papansin ninyo, so from 2, tingnan natin, itong 2 to 6, so 2 plus 4, 6. So, dapat yung plus 4 mo, gagamitin mo sa lahat. 6 plus 4, 10. But dito, ang lumabas ay 18. Therefore, wala siyang common difference o wala siyang specific, no, fixed number na i-add. Nagbabago-bago siya as we continue the sequence. So, therefore, hindi ito arithmetic. Okay? Next, number 3. 57, 49, 41, so on and so forth. So again, sabi natin kanya by definition, at least 3. Kahit tatlo lang yan na terms or numbers sa isang sequence, pwede pa natin siyang tawagin na sequence. No? Ma-identify na natin yung pattern yan. Okay? Tingnan natin, meron ba siyang fixed number na ina-add? May pattern ba? 57, 49, tapos 41. Okay? The correct answer is yes, arithmetic yan. Arithmetic. So, sir, bakit? Kasi ang common difference niya is negative 8. So, nag-add tayo, pero hindi ng whole number. Kasi pwede rin dito ang integers kasi natural numbers yun. Pwede rin ang integers. Kaya dito, kung papasin ninyo ay may common difference siya na negative 8. Okay? Kasi 57, tapos mag-plus ka ng negative 8, that is, so mangyayari, magiging subtraction na. Yes, kasi pwede, 'di ba? By definition, pwede tayo mag-add, mag-subtract, no? But dito, may ina-add tayo na fixed number, pero this time is a negative integer. So tingnan niyo, 57 plus negative 8. Okay, that is 49. Tapos 49, i-add mo si negative 8, that is 41. Ngayon, so 41. Mag-plus ka ng negative 8. Diba? So, pag nag-plus ka, syempre, dahil nga yun ay isang negative integer, so, para ka na rin doong nag-subtraction. Correct. So, ano magiging sagot natin dyan? Okay, that is 33. So, ganun lang. So, ibig sabihin, ang mangyari, sa sequence na ito, paliit yung mga numbers kasi nga nag-add ka ng isang negative integers, therefore para ka nagsusubtract. So again, pwede tayong mag-add ng positive or negative integers kasi hindi lang to limited lagi sa positive numbers. Tandaan yan, dahil high school na kayo, hindi palaging puro positive ang mga numbers na makikita nyo sa ating mga given values. Okay? So I hope nagigets niyo yun. So still nag-add tayo but it's a negative integer kaya ang nagiging resulting numbers natin ay pababa, decreasing. No? Pero still nakuha pa rin natin yung concept about arithmetic sequence. Okay? So that's it. This will be the process on how we're going to identify what kind of sequence yung given sequence natin, if it is arithmetic or not. Okay, let's have now our first illustrative example. Okay, so find the 10th term of the sequence. Ito na. So this is our sequence 3, 8, 13, 18. So on and so forth. Pinapahanap dito kung ano yung pang 10, 10 terms sa sequence na to. So paano siya isosolve? First is, we need to take note of the parts ng ating formula. First is, kailangan ma-identify natin, ano nga ba ang first term? Okay, ang ating first term, yung ating a sub 1 is 3. Okay? And then, ano ang ating common difference? Wala siya dyan. Wala, hindi inilagay. Pero makikita mo siya as you observe the given sequence. So, makikita nyo yung pattern is, yes. Dito is nag-add tayo ng 5. Nagko-plus tayo ng 5. So, 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Kaya, ang sulat natin dito, that the value of our D or our common difference is 5. Kasi yun yung fixed number na in-add natin from the previous term to get the next term. And then, ang N natin is 10. So, saan galing yung 10? Dahil nga, hinahanap natin ang 10th term, therefore, automatic ang magiging value ng n natin ay 10. So, ganun lang siya. Connected yan. Kung ano yung hinahanap na posisyon, yun din yung magiging value ng n mo. So, dahil hinahanap ay 10th term, therefore, the value of n is 10. Next, using the formula for the general term of the arithmetic sequence. So, again, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina yung general term or general formula every time nagagamit tayo ng sequence, and that is, okay, this is the a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So again, simulan nyo na ito i-memorize kasi yan yung gagamitin natin na formula. Nag-iisa lang yan. General formula natin for the arithmetic sequence. So lahat ng topics natin or questions related to arithmetic sequence, pwede nyo gamitin itong formula na to. Okay? Now, so na-identify na naman natin yung mga variables dito, yung parts ng formula na to. May mga value na siya. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is just to substitute. So, you have a sub 10. So, yung a sub n mo ay naging a sub 10. It is because your n is 10. So, papalitan mo lang yung n mo ng 10. And then, your first term is 3. Ayan, identify natin. And then, our n again is 10. Tapos, fix yung minus 1 natin dyan. Constant yan sa ating formula. And then, ang last variable natin is yung D. That is the common difference. Ito yung fixed number na nakikita natin na ina-add sa ating given sequence. So, nakuha natin siya as 5. Okay, so ito yung pinakamalagang part na masubstitute natin ng tama. No? Tama yung values and then mai-substitute natin ng tama sa formula. And then, magiging madali na lahat kasi you just perform the operations. No? Kaya be careful sa part na to. So once na ginagawa niyo itong part na to na nagsasubstitute kayo ng values, make sure na talagang dino-double check or triple check niyo yung mga values na ginamit niyo dyan para hindi masayang effort niyo sa pagko-compute na ng mga numbers natin. Okay? So, let's perform the integrated operation. So, just bring down a sub 10. And then you have 3, bring down, and then GEMDAS rule. So, groupings muna inside the parentheses. So, you have 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, and then you copy 5 here. So you have now a sub 10 is equal to 3 plus 9 times 5. And then you have a sub 10 is equal to 3, 9 times 5, that is 45. Therefore, our last part here is this. So we need to finalize this one, that our a sub 10 o yung ating 10th term is 48. See? So that is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48. So if you're going to enumerate, ito siya. So, di ba? Ang laking tulong na may formula tayo. Bakit? In-skip natin tong part na to. No? Yan. In-skip natin yung part na itong 23 to 48. In-skip natin yan kasi may formula tayo. We can jump directly doon sa position na gusto nating mahanap. Pero pwede mo siyang enumerate ganito. You just follow yung pattern, no? Again, nag-add lang ng 5. Mag-plus ka lang ng 5 hanggang marating mo yung pang 10th term. That will be the other option. So, which is very tasky. Lalo na kapag sobrang taas na, for example, pinahanap na yung 100th term, pang 100 term. So, isa-isa mo yun, 1 to 100. No? Wherein, pwede kang mag-jump from 1 to 100 if you have the formula. So, like what we did here, nag-jump tayo, in-skip natin to, itong pang 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, at saka 9th term. In-skip natin yan, kasi ang focus lang natin is the 10th term. Diba? So, that's the power of yung formula. Kaya mahalaga na magamit nyo ng ayos at practicein yung paggamit ng formula. Huwag yung lagi ililist down ninyo. So, it will take a lot of time. So, marami pa kayong dapat sagutan. So, you need to manage your time. So, malaking bagay na alam natin paano gamitin yung formula kasi mas mapapadali niya yung ating competition. So, again, for this problem, ang ating final answer is 48. So, 48 is the 10th term in the given sequence, 3, 8, 13, and 18. And that's it. I hope ay naintindihan niyo yan for our first illustrative example. Okay, let's now have our illustrative example number 2. Find two arithmetic means between 2 and 8. So again, ito na. Lumabas na yung term na arithmetic means. So again, ano nga ba ulit yung arithmetic means natin? So, these are the terms between two ng consecutive terms. So, dito, we look for the numbers such that an arithmetic sequence forms. So, ganito magiging itsura niya. Okay? So, 2, tapos yung 8. So, meron daw 2 arithmetic means sa pagitan ng 2 at 8. So, ito yon. I-rate natin ng ganito. So, again, we're looking for the a sub 2 and a sub 3. Kasi yung 2 is our first term and then yung 8 yung ating last term. So may nawawalang dalawang term sa pagitan nilang dalawa. So that will be our second at saka third term. Wherein tatawagin natin silang also known as the arithmetic means. Kasi ito yung mga terms na nasa pagitan ng two given terms. Okay, so magiging iba yung treatment natin dito. Just because hindi siya magkasunod. So, again, nahahanap lang natin yung pattern once na magkakasunod yung mga numbers. Pero kapag may blanco sa pagitan nila, medyo mahirapan tayo dyan. So, gagamit tayo ng panibagong process. So, how are we going to solve for that? So, here, we're going to use still the formula. So, again, like what I said, once na ang question is related to arithmetic sequence, gamitin nyo lang tong a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So, yan gagamitin natin ngayon. But this time, iba yung mahanap nating value. Okay? Anong hinahanap nating value dito? Ano ba ang unknown dito? Correct. Ang unknown natin is yung value ng d or the common difference. Hindi natin kasi siya makukuha dahil wala tayong magkasunod na terms. Okay? Kasi 2 and 8 is non-consecutive integers. So, walang magkasunod na terms dito. Kung mapapansin nyo, 2, after ng 2, unknown. Tapos, yung a sub 2, kasunod niya unknown number term din, a sub 3, tapos a sub 3, which is an unknown number, tapos 8. So, walang magkakasunod na given terms. Kaya siya, hindi natin makukuha yung pattern yan. So, that's why dito, ang goal natin is mahanap natin yung value ng d or yung ating common difference. So, again, same thing pa rin naman, we just substitute. So, a sub n natin is 8 kasi siya yung last term sa given natin. Tapos ang ating first term ay yung 2. And then, plus the quantity 4. So, again, para natin nakuha yung 4, bibilangin nyo lang, given the 2 terms, tapos yung missing terms. So, ilan lahat sila? Okay, that is 4. So, yung 8 natin is pang fourth term. Kaya, ang n natin ay 4. Tapos, yung constant naman yung minus 1. And then, still, d is unknown. Di natin siya ma-identify. Kaya, yun yung ating isosolve. Okay? Next procedure, so you have 8 is equal to 2 plus, so perform the operation inside the parentheses. That is 4 minus 1, and that is 3 times d, kaya meron ka dyang 3d. And then, solving for d, now we need to isolate the terms na merong d, and then we're going to transpose this or get the additive inverse of 2 para mapunta siya doon sa other side of the equation. Kaya magiging 8 minus 2. Diba? You just get the additive inverse. So, kung positive yan, magiging negative. Kung negative, magiging positive. Subtraction siya. So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 8 minus 2. And that is 6, which is equivalent to 3D. And then, ang hinahanap lang natin dito is yung value ng D. So, anong gagawin? Okay, correct. So, we can divide this by 3 or we multiply this by 1/3. Okay? Multiply this by 1/3. Or divided by 3. Kaya magiging value ng D natin is 2. So, the value of D or your common difference is 2. So, itong 2 na yon ang magiging fixed number natin. So, makukuha na natin yung mga missing terms. So, what will happen is, to get the second term, so, ang formula natin dyan is first term plus D. So, ganun kahalaga yung common difference. Kasi siya yung fixed number na gagamitin natin to na i-add natin from the previous terms to get the next term. Kaya, you have first term plus d. So, ang first term natin is 2 plus yung ating common difference na 2. That's why yung second term natin ay 4. Therefore, the value of a sub 2 natin is 4. Okay? And then, for the a sub 3, so, ganun pa rin. Ang magiging formula niya is a sub 2 naman plus d. Kasi nga, given na a sub 2, so to get a sub 3, add mo lang yung common difference mo dun sa value ng a sub 2 mo. So, kung ang a sub 2 natin ay 4, so gagamitin natin siya dito, magiging 4 plus 2, therefore yung ating a sub 3 is 6. Meaning that the two arithmetic means between 2 and 8 are 4 and 6. And that's it. Yun yung missing terms natin, which is also known as the arithmetic means in the given sequence, no? 2, a sub 2, a sub 3, and 8. Kasi may missing terms tayo dyan. So, these are the arithmetic means between 2 and 8. Yung 4 and 6. And that's it. So, ano kinuha natin dito? Yung napakalaga ng ating common difference. Yung value ng ating t. At nung nakuha na natin siya, inadala natin siya from the previous term to get the next term. And that's it. And that's how we solve for the arithmetic means. I hope marami kayong natutunan in this part in getting the arithmetic means between two non-consecutive terms. Okay, so eto na tayo sa assessment part. Okay, titingnan na natin kung kaya nyo na bang mag-solve ng problems under arithmetic sequence. So I prepared here 3 questions. So each question has 15 second na time, no, para sagutan. So, again, kung sa tingin nyo masyadong mabilis yung 15 seconds, pwede nyo muna i-pause yung video na to and then continue answering. And then kapag may sagot na kayo, i-play ninyo para ma-check natin kung talagang may naintindihan, no, para mas challenging. Hindi yung aantayin mo na lang yung sagot. Okay? So, let's have for our multiple choice, read each item carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. For number 1, which of the following illustrates an arithmetic sequence? Eto na. Which of the following illustrates an arithmetic sequence? Is it A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is it B, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25? Is it C, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16? Or D, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, so on and so forth? Which of the following illustrates an arithmetic sequence? Is it A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth? B, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25? C, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16? Or D, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5? Your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. Which of the following illustrate an arithmetic sequence? The correct answer is... Okay, correct. That is letter A. Yes. So, kung letter A yan, kailangan meron tayong common difference, yung value ng D. What do you think is the value of D or the common difference in this set of numbers? Okay, that is 1. The common difference here is 1. So you just add 1 from the previous term. Tingnan natin. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Yeah. Now, if you're going to check the other sequence, so tingnan natin ito, 1 tapos 4. So, from 1, naging 4. So, nag-add ka dyan ng 3. Tapos, so may plus 3 ka dyan. So, try natin. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Pero dito lumabas is 9. Therefore, wala siyang fixed na number na ina-add. Kaya, mali yung B. So, same with letter C. Ganun din. From 1 to 2, so nag-add ka dyan ng 1 para maging 2. So, 2 plus 1, dapat yun ay 3. Pero dito ay naging 4. So, hindi. Nasunod yung pattern na plus 1. Okay? Ito naman, tingnan natin, 1 plus 1, tapos naging 2 plus 3 plus 5. So, dito plus 1, pero dito hindi. Dito ay nag-add ka ng 0 eh. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Tapos, pag 1, kailangan 0 ulit. Plus 1 plus 0, that dapat to be 1 again. Pero dito, naging plus 1 na siya, hindi na plus 0. So, hindi naging fix yung ina-add na numbers. Therefore, yung letter A lang yung pumasok sa criteria na yun na meron siyang fixed number, which is 1. No? Ina-add niya yung 1 from the previous term to get the next term. Okay? So, I hope na-gets niyo yun kung bakit letter A yung tamang sagot. Congratulations sa mga tumama. Next, number 2. What is the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, 13? Again, what is the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, 13? Is it A, 53, B, 55, C, 57, or D, 59? So again, ano yung pang 25th term in the given arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, 13? Your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. Tingnan natin. The correct answer is correct. That is 55. The 25th term of the given arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, 13 is 55. So, again, I advise you to use the formula. Just substitute the value in our formula. So, again, kapag sulat natin siya, ang ating formula is A sub n. Okay, is equal to what? A sub 1, correct? Plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, this will be our general formula for the arithmetic sequence. We just substitute the values. So again, we're looking for the 25th term. So you have a sub 25 here. Tapos, ang first term mo ay 7. A sub 1 mo. So your n is still 25 minus 1. So 24 na yon. And then ang common difference mo dito is 7. Tapos naging 9, 11, 13. Okay, correct. The common difference is 2. Nag-add ka ng 2 to get the next term. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. So you just substitute the values, perform the indicated operations, and then you will come up with 55. Okay, so that's how we solve for the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, and 13. Okay, so I hope tumama ka dyan. Kung hindi naman, again, in-explain ko yung process. Balikan mo lang kung saang part ka lang dun nagkaroon ng error. Okay, so congrats. Nakabot ka sa question number 2. Let's have our last question. Question number 3. If 3 arithmetic means are inserted between negative 15, eto na ha, may mga negative integers tayo, nag-exist yan, and 9, find the first of these arithmetic means. Again, if 3 arithmetic means are inserted between negative 15 and 9, find the first of these arithmetic means. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 3 arithmetic means na missing. Pag nakuha mo yon, ano yung unang arithmetic means doon na nailagay mo sa tatlong yon? So, yun yung hinahanap natin. Find the first. Now, find the first of this arithmetic means. Na yung first arithmetic means na inilagay mo, in-insert mo between negative 15 and 9. Okay, is it A, 3, B, negative 3, C, negative 6, or D, negative 9? So again, sa 3 arithmetic means between negative 15 and 9, ano yung una? No, yung una doon sa tatlong arithmetic means na sa pagitan, no, na ilalagay mo in between negative 15 and 9. Is it A, 3, B, negative 3, C is negative 6, or D, negative 9? Your 15 seconds starts now. Okay, so again, reminders, kung sa tingin mo masyado mabilis yung 15 seconds, i-pause mo muna tong video na to, i-continue mo yung pagsasagot, and then i-play mo na lang kapag may sagot ka na, para mas ma-check natin kung talagang na-apply mo yung knowledge and skills mo about arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's now reveal the answer. For question number 3, find the first of this arithmetic means. The correct answer is, okay, correct, that is negative 9. Negative 9 yung ating first of this arithmetic means. Kasi tatlo yung nawawala. So again, kapag sinulat natin siya, that is negative 15. Okay, negative 15. And then meron kang 3 missing terms. Okay, bago yung 9. Okay, so ito yung magiging itsura niya. Okay, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, ito yung ating first term, negative 15, tapos yung last term natin is 9. So, may nawawalan tatlo dito sa pagitan nilang dalawa. So, that is our arithmetic means. So, ano ba yung una? So, tatlo yan, pero ang hinahanap natin ito. Ano ba yung nandito sa first term na to? So, to be specific, yung second term. Okay? So, again, sa arithmetic means, ano ang hinahanap natin? Correct. Kailangan makita natin muna yung value ng D, no? Common difference. So, by using the formula for the arithmetic sequence, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times D. Just substitute the values. So, ang ating first term is negative 15. Last term natin is 9. Tapos, ang n natin is, what is our n? Okay, our n is 1, 2, 3, 5. Our n is 5. It is because you have two given terms, tapos may missing na tatlo, kaya 5 lahat yung terms natin. Okay, so ano ang naging common difference natin dito? Okay, correct. Ang common difference natin dito is, pag kinumpit mo siya, that is 6. Using the formula, the value of D is 6. Now, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, i-add mo lang siya sa ating given terms. Tingnan niyo to, negative 15 plus 6. So again, a negative and a positive, so magiging subtraction yan. That is correct. That is 9. So the value of our first arithmetic mean is 9. So 9 siya dito. Okay? And that's a negative 9. Okay? Negative 9 kasi negative 15. Ito. So bigger absolute value. And then, negative 9, i-plus mo ulit yung 6 naman doon sa negative 9. So, you will have, okay, correct. You will have negative 3. Okay, negative 3 naman. Okay? So, still negative kasi mataas yung absolute value sa negative 9. And then, last is yung negative 3 naman, i-add mo ulit yung nakuha nating value ng D, that is 6. So, negative 3 plus 6, and that is correct. Dito naman, magiging positive 3 na siya. Kasi, mas malaki na yung 6, yung absolute value niya. Okay? So, kung titingnan nyo, ang ating 3 arithmetic means are negative 9, negative 3, and positive 3. Dahil hinahanap natin sa tatlong yun, ano yung nauna? The answer is negative 9. Okay? So, I hope na gets nyo na yan. Nakuha nyo yung concept about arithmetic means. I hope marami kayo natutunan sa part na to. And congratulations kung na-perfect mo to. Kung hindi naman, still, there's room for improvement. Reviewin mo lang yung ating discussion mula umpisa. Tapos, you try to answer other examples. Makikita mo, so marami tayong mga resources na available dyan. Books, online, search lang natin yan sa internet para makapag-try tayo magsagot ng mga problems sa modules, no? Sagutan natin yung mga problems doon para mas mahasa natin yung skill, especially in this part sa pagkuha ng arithmetic means. Okay? So, that's it. Congratulations at natapos mo yung ating assessment. Now, before we end up this discussion, so again, we end up with this with a wrap up or a generalization. So again, let's go back to our discussion about what is arithmetic sequence. So again, let's define this as a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So napakahalaga na ma-identify natin yung fixed number na yan, yung ating siya yung magbuko kompleto, no? Hahanapin mo yung pattern doon sa given sequence, and that fixed number is known to be the common difference denoted by small letter d na ginagamit natin sa ating formula for the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so here our general formula for the arithmetic sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. So sa formula, napakalaga na alam nyo kung saan manggagaling yung mga value ng variables na nakikita nyo sa ating formula. So, you have the a sub n, a sub 1, n, at saka yung d. Kasi yung minus 1 naman natin dyan ay fixed or constant. So, again, yung d natin is the common difference, n is the n term, kung pang ilang term ang hinahanap, a sub 1 is the first term. Okay, so yan. Last term, first term, at n is the number of terms in the given sequence. And then last is the terms between any non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known to be the arithmetic means. So, once na pinapahanap yung terms between two given terms, arithmetic means na concept ang kailangan mong gamitin, no? Kailangan kasi makuha mo yung numbers, no? What are the terms between two non-consecutive terms, no? Sa pagitan. Medyo mahirap yung part na to. It's because hindi natin basta-basta makukuha yung pattern, no? Hindi natin gagamitin ng formula. So you need to use the formula for the arithmetic sequence to find the common difference. Yun yung pinakamalagang part dyan. Yung common difference or yung fixed number. Kailangan mahanap natin yan para makompleto natin yung mga missing terms sa isang sequence. And that's how we end up our discussion about arithmetic sequence. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video tutorial na to. And I hope continue nyo lang yung pagbabasa and then pagpa-practice ng pagsosolve ng mga problems para mas mahasa pa kayo sa pag-solve ng mga problems about arithmetic sequence. So, thanks for watching. I'm Sir Jolan M. Seren, your mathematics 10 teacher. Salamat sa panonood. Stay healthy and safe. God bless us all.